Ngayon, mag-prepare tayo ng capital statements. Ang capital statements, ito yung statement of changes in owner's equity at saka balance sheet, no? Or statement of financial position. So, sa owner's equity, una yung beginning capital. So, magkano yung beginning capital ni Smith? Ito yung beginning capital, beginning. So, beginning, so 800,000, nakikita natin sa trial balance ito. And then, add natin yung may net loss ba? Magkano yung net loss? Kita natin doon sa income statements. So, may loss yun na 33,050. So, net loss, ang total, add lang natin ito. Kasi pag pag may net profit dyan, positive yan. So, ngayon nag 776,950. Ngayon, lagyan natin ng less yung drawing, no? Nilak natin yung drawing niya. So, drawing. Paano yung drawing? Makikita natin sa trial balance. So, 15,500. So, yung Smith Capital ending niya is deduct natin to. So, 751,450. No, ang so, ito na yung ending capital ni Blizzard Trading. 751,470. So, ngayon, makakagawa na tayo ng balance sheet. Kasi may capital ending na tayo. Ngayon, sa asset, kano yung asset? Cash, ito. 668,130. And then, accounts receivable na 98,820. Ito. And then, store supplies. 120,000. Delivery equipment. 160,000. Merchandise inventory. Magkano yung merchandise inventory ending niya? Nakikita, di ba natin doon sa transaction, yung ending inventory, at naka-report din doon sa net income, yung merchandise inventory. So, dito yun sa transaction. Ito yung merchandise inventory ending. 54,500. 4,500. So, yung asset, magkano yung asset? Total pa natin is 101. So, ito yung total assets. Next is liability. So, liability, accounts payable. Accounts payable. Ano yung accounts payable? 50,000. And then, notes payable. 300. So, total liabilities total so 350,000 yung total liability. So owner's equity, magkano yung capital ni Smith is kita natin doon sa ginawa nating owner's equity. Ito 751,450. So i-add natin kung mag-balance yung asset at saka liabilities and equity. So, ito na yung ating balance sheet. So, ito na yung balance sheet. Nag-balance na siya. 1,101,450. Total assets. Ano ilagay natin dito? Total liabilities and owner's equity. So, nag-balance na yung balance sheet. Dapat nakalagay dito ng lagyan ito ng line. No? Lagyan nyo ng line. Tapos dito, lagyan din ng line. So, dito sa total asset and total liabilities and equity, mag-double line kayo dito. So, ito na yun. So, on my next video, we will prepare the statement of cash flow naman yung gagawin natin.